Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Asana Forms quickly and easily. First, head over to Asana's website and log in. Use the email linked to your account, enter your password, and you'll land on your homepage. Next, find the project you want to work with. Click on it to open the task view, then look for the Customize button and click it. After that, select the Forms option from the Customization panel. Click Add to create a new form. Now name your form something clear and relevant, then start adding questions. Drag and drop different types like multiple choice or short text to collect the info you need. To complete the setup, review your form layout and hit Publish. Your form is now live and ready to collect submissions directly into your project. And that's it. You've successfully created an Asana form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.